Spring is here and your lawn is ready to wake up. A little work now and you'll have thick green grass all summer long. Start with some air. Grab a garden fork and spike the soil about 8 centimeters deep, wiggling it back and forth to open the ground. This lets water, air and nutrients reach the roots. If you've got Kikuyu or Cynodon, mow low and rake out old roots. For Durban or Berea Grass, just mow as usual. Then feed it. Healthy roots mean healthy grass, so apply a complete lawn fertiliser every 4 to 6 weeks through spring and summer. Phosphate for strong roots, nitrogen for lush green leaves. Always stick to the application instructions. More fertiliser won't mean better results. Top dressed for an extra boost. Use a weed-free, sterilised lawn dressing and spread it thinly so the tips of the grass still show. Think of it as a compost boost for your lawn. You'll see results in under a week. Water deeply, not lightly, to encourage strong roots. And mow often, but never take off more than 1/3 of the blade. Just make sure to keep mower blades sharp for a clean cut. Weeds popping through? Pull them out, or once your lawn's actively growing, treat with a herbicide safe for your grass type. Start your spring lawn care now, and you'll have the lush, soft lawn summer dreams are made of. Find all your lawn care essentials at a GCA Garden Centre near you. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find one in your area.